The 2026 affiliate marketing landscape has zero tolerance for manual labor. High-frequency bidding and automated creative refreshes have made human hustle a liability. Algorithmic warfare is systematically eliminating traditional marketers. Major ad networks now prioritize the accounts that can sustain a high volume of creative testing. If you are still relying on a disconnected stack of legacy software, you cannot produce the data density required to remain profitable in the daily auction. To counter this, High Command has recovered 10 autonomous AI artifacts. These platforms have been stress-tested across multiple geos and possess the operational speed needed to match the market's hostility. But these tools only function when deployed as part of the flywheel protocol. Each artifact is wired chronologically into the next, ensuring that the intelligence gathered by one tool directly powers the execution of the next. Survival depends on fusing these tools into a single, self-sustaining system. When the output of your creative strategy automatically triggers your production and tracking layers, the operation begins to iterate without constant manual oversight. We begin with Phase 1, the oracles. We use predictive ideation to isolate high-probability angles before a single dollar is committed to the ad networks. This diagram shows the logic inside Viblets, our primary intelligence engine. It analyzes 12 years of data to predict winning creative concepts, filtering out weak angles before they waste budget. We feed those prioritized pathways into Jasper. Jasper uses the winning data to construct long-form assets, specifically authority-building funnels, pre-sale articles, and multi-day email sequences. Next, we run those assets through copy.ai. It fractures the core messaging into dozens of micro-copy hooks and headlines, allowing us to test more variations daily than a human writer could in a week. This three-tool sequence replaces guesswork with data-backed strategy. The campaign is mapped and written based on proven historical signals, not creative intuition. With the strategy locked, we transition to Phase 2, mass visual fabrication. We deploy 4 specialized artifacts to build a massive volume of creative assets that overwhelms algorithmic ad fatigue. AdCreative.ai ingests the hooks from the oracle phase to mass-produce hundreds of tactical ad variants. Because it automatically tunes every layout to specific platform objectives, it maintains a consistent click-through rate even as older creatives start to decay. Click-through rate, or click-through rate, is the percentage of people who click on an ad after seeing it. For the hero visuals, we use Midjourney. This artifact generates highly distinctive, stylized imagery that separates your offer from the generic stock photos used by your competitors. These visuals are designed for the high-leverage placements, where a single image determines if a user stops scrolling. Leonardo AI serves as the organizational hub for these assets. It groups raw visual outputs into strictly controlled workspaces and style guides, ensuring that every ad, landing page, and video remains visually cohesive. To dominate short-form platforms, we deploy Pictory. It weaponizes our written scripts into a scalable volume of vertical videos for TikTok and Reels, automatically adding stock footage and voiceovers to capture attention in the first 3 seconds. This 4-part visual phase creates a mechanized output. The system produces and refreshes assets so quickly that it can outpace the creative decay of any manual design team. The sheer volume of assets generated in the forge phase requires a containment grid. Without precise automated tracking, the sheer speed of your production will quickly outrun your ability to monitor your budget. Gumloop serves as the automated connective tissue. It pulls fragmented spend and conversion data from your ad networks and affiliate platforms, cleaning and normalizing the metrics so you have a single, accurate view of your profit. This detailed diagram shows RedTrack acting as our autonomous sniper. It uses AI smart links to automatically sever traffic from losing ads and reroute that volume to your top-performing offers in real time to protect your ROAS. ROAS, or return on ad spend, measures the amount of revenue you earn for every single dollar you spend on advertising. While RedTrack manages the traffic, Lindy acts as the shadow commander. Lindy monitors the performance data and autonomously handles CRM updates and partner reporting. A CRM, or Customer Relationship Management System, is a central database used to track and log all communications and deals with your affiliate partners. This command grid transforms 10 isolated apps into a singular revenue weapon, ensuring tracking insights are immediately applied to your budget and your operations. When all 10 tools are successfully fused, the workflow becomes a closed loop. Tracking tools surface the winning signals, creative tools spin up the variance, and the automation layer reallocates the budget, allowing the system to run through dozens of optimization cycles per day. Implementation must be systematic. Do not attempt to deploy all 10 tools at once. Instead, identify the single weakest point in your current workflow, whether it is creative volume or attribution clarity or manual reporting, and start there. Lock in one artifact before wiring in the next. By progressively integrating each layer, you ensure that every part of the system is stabilized before you increase the scale of your operations. In the 2026 landscape, the primary advantage is the speed of your iteration cycle. Those who manage an autonomous machine can test more angles in a single afternoon than a manual team can produce in an entire month. To access the complete technical specifications for the Flywheel protocol, head to RedHub AI. Briefing terminated.